Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.3.0 on Debian 12.11. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then see here we have the MySQL. Then we have to select the version. See here we have the MySQL 9.3.0. But when you are installing, if you are unable to find the version, you have to click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Debian Linux. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this Debian Linux dev bundle package. So click on this download button. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 498 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract the star file and we will install. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server 9.3.0 tar file. We have to untar this one, tar-xf. Give the MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Before that, install the following dependencies: sudo apt install macapp -ipadic-utf8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Ctrl L. Ls. Now install this Debian packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.dev. Hit enter. It will install all these Debian packages. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 9.3.0. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 9.3.0. Let us verify. First verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running. Okay, it is enabled. Okay, it is active and running. Okay, Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 9.3.0. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we got the same version. Okay, Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server 9.3.0 installation. Let us create a database. Create. Now verify again. See, we got the new database. Now let us switch to this database and create a table. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables. See, empty set, which means we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. We have created table. Verify again. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Control L, insert into Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users, this won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql dot user. This typo. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Control it. Now create user. Create user. Now verify again. See, we got the new user. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server with this new user. First exit from this my current session. Then MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password of this David user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with this new user. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server service on Debian 12.11 operating system. Sudo system ctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running. We took it, control it. Now stop it. Sudo system ctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL server is stopped or dead or inactive. Okay, we took it. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of this root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. Control it. Now start it. Sudo system ctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. It is active and running. Okay, started 2 seconds ago. We took it. Control L. If you want to restart, just replace this start with restart. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted or started 1 second ago. We took it. Control L. Now okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server. So ls, these files are not required anymore. So remove them to clear the space. Rm start.deb. ls. See, here we have one more file, that is star file. Remove it. Rm MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools, MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 9.3.0 on Debian 12.11. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.